Ready? Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace in a 2007, right?
Yes,
2007 Toyota Camry, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Toyota Camry. We got 2007 Toyota Camry XLE. What we're gonna do today is we are gonna replace in a, what was that? Rotor?
The rotor, yeah.
Just only rotor, right?
Yeah, rotor.
Just got it from AutoZone?
Yes.
Yeah. We're gonna replace this. Oh, the light is too much on my camera, right?
Yes.
It's too much, right?
Too wide, right?
Yeah, let's see. Yeah. So we're gonna go record it again. This is not my car. This is my friend car. Say hi, man.
Hi.
Yeah.
Everyone.
Okay. Yeah. Here's my friend. You know, we're gonna replace the rotor today, and make sure to stay tuned, guys. If you have any question for the part number, I'm gonna link it down in the description below. Okay, make sure to go and check it out. And now we're gonna jump in over, take it out of the car, and take it out of the wheel, and we're gonna catch you guys right back. Okay, I want to show you guys the part number is gonna be right here. Part number. Okay, now we're gonna replace in a rotor, front and rear on 2007 Toyota Camry XLE. We already take it off the wheel, and what you need to do is on this side, I'm gonna show you guys how to take it off, and the other side, already take it off. Already take it off. It's very easy, okay? And on the new rotor over here, what we need to do is you have to spray with a brake cleaner a little bit. If not, when you put it on without cleaning it up, because your brake is going to be making noise or stuff like that, because on the rotor over here, on the top of the rotor, it have a grease or chemical or oil, stuff like that. So make sure you get your towel and clean it up with your brake cleaner. Okay, all right, so we're going to throw this one to the car. Okay, put this one inside, take it inside. Here we go. And now to do is we're gonna get the caliper right here, brake caliper, whole set. Add a little grease for the thread. Today we're not going to replace in a brake pad, okay? We're just replacing a rotor, okay? To take it off the calipers, it's gonna be 17mm bolt on 17mm bolt on the top and the bottom right here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. Okay. One bolt and there you go. All right, for safety, what we're gonna do is hang it up right here. There we go. This rotor, now this one is very easy to came out. It won't. What you need to do is get a bolt, get this two bolt, and screw in, and they came right off. If not, you can use your hammer and hit it side to the side, and they came right off very easy. Okay, And now take it off this one. The one is right here. Okay. Alright. This one is have a if you look at it right here, it's kind of like a grease, stuff like that, you know. And if you use the towel and see grease, so that's why what we need to do is clean it up with a brake cleaner right here. Okay. And the other side too. Okay, now we finish with a front rotor. We're gonna jump it over to the rear rotor. No, take it off the wheel. This way, the rear side, okay? On the rear side over here is the rotor, and what we need to do is it's gonna be 14mm bolt on the top right here and down the bottom right there. So we're gonna go here and remove that. Same thing, okay? 14mm bolt. Here we go.
$0.
What are Sorry.
Hả? Đâu đâu chứ? À.
Got it. go. Oh. What?
Different.
What's going on with this car? Right here, they don't have a, what was that? The handbrake. And then someone took it off.
Different.
No, it's supposed to have a handbrake. Handbrake got on one side. Oh my goodness. See? I think somebody took it off. Yeah, you see right here? And this car is crazy. See the handbrake? Right here have no handbrake, but they put it only one side. Okay. I don't know. How did you when did you get this car? 2017. And they have only one handbrake. Very good. See, it's look crazy, right? It's okay. I think maybe somebody did it, right? So we're gonna clean it up a little bit. It's okay. It's not a big deal. You're not gonna use it, right? Here we go. Clean that up a little bit. Come bring that one for me, if you don't mind. Thank you. Yeah. Bring with the box too. Cái bao nhiêu? Cái này handbrake á, cái bên là full handbrake, hoặc là parking này này. The bên này cái race car này. You're not gonna race your car, so it's okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, now this is how you replace a rotor on 2007, right? 2007 Toyota Camry XLE. This is the full fix, guy. This is my friend, okay? If you guys have any question, please leave me a comment down section below. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. Say peace. Peace!